Do you want to spend 4 days off the grid, out of the matrix, disconnecting from the rat race and daily stresses of go, 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 do, do, do? Do you want to reconnect to yourself, your highest good, nature, and other like-minded, heart-centered men? Do you want to create lifelong memories, experiences, adventures, and friendships? If you answered yes to any of these questions, I'm calling you forward for our Brotherhood and Bend Men's Retreat, September 21st through the 24th. We still have a few spots left. Of all the things that I do, this is my absolute favorite, to be a retreat facilitator and guide. Bend, Oregon in September is amazing. The weather's going to be perfect. We have an Airbnb outside of town, a private chef, whitewater rafting, epic hikes in nature, sitting around the fire at night, telling stories, sharing meals together, doing deep self-development work, creating deep, meaningful relationships. Men who have come to retreats of mine in the past have said these retreats are some of the most life-changing experiences of their lives. Friendships formed in these retreats are some of the most deep and meaningful friendships possible. These shared experiences that wouldn't be possible because it's so easy to get caught up in the obligations and responsibilities that we men have. And we've never had more responsibility as men in today's society. Being leaders of ourselves, our families, our communities, our companies, physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, financial responsibilities. It's never been greater. And it's so easy to be burdened and weighed down by these responsibilities as men. And that's why I facilitate and host these retreats. So if this is you, I'm calling you forward. This is your invitation to join us, Brotherhood and Bend, Thursday, September 21st through Sunday, September 24th. The investment is $1,625, $1,625. Covers everything except for your flight into and out of Redmond, Oregon, which is right outside Bend. Everything else is covered. I want to see you there. I want to share this experience with you. Together, empowering you, supporting you, serving you to be the most effective and best leader for yourself, your family, your loved ones, your community, and your company. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You can contact me at the link below. I look forward to talking soon.